Hello and welcome to Marvin Gardens December 2020. This is the last garden video of 2020, and anything that's the last of 2020 I think we can pretty much look forward to. But let's see what's going on here. And as you can see here, the pond is looking very wintry, and not frozen over yet like it sometimes gets in January and February, but sort of an icy slush, and but otherwise looking very festive, I should say. And we have no pups with us today, because, well, they wouldn't like it out here, let's face it. But it's not snowing, but it certainly has snowed. We were supposed to get a foot and a half. We did not get that. We got, I don't know, somewhere between 6 to 10 inches. It's hard to know because it blew all around everywhere. But it is putting us in the Christmas spirit, that's for sure. And bed one here, not much to look at. Well, there's not much to look at anywhere in the garden. You can see there that I have harvested all the brassicas that I'm going to harvest, except for maybe a few of those Brussels sprouts might be actually harvestable on Christmas Day. But we harvested most of them anyway. And here we have the compost heap, and it's covered with a little bit of snow because it's been blowing so much. And everything else, like I say, there's really nothing to show you but snow out here. You can see the solar panels. Some of the snow has already slid off, but other than that, this is one of those times when you go around and you just point at where everything used to be as far as the garden goes. And there's not even anything under anywhere except for one crop, and that is turnips. And we have turnips, little ones, and you could just barely see the fence there. But there's a little row of turnips there, and oh, Coco is finally visible now, after he's been hidden by all the garlic chops. Excuse me. There's some more turnips under the snow there. I'm hopeful that the turnips themselves, although they've really slowed down in their growth, will still be harvestable and usable, even though they've gone through freezes, etc. And as you might remember, there's 5 rows of them down there under the snow. And there's the leftovers of the peppers. I still have left to really take down all the dead dead plants and the stakes and the plant markers and everything else to clear things out for next season, but haven't done that yet, and there's no rush, so everything can pretty much stay as it is for now. Let's see what else to show you. Not much. Look over at the artichoke area. Not artichoke. Asparagus. It's another A vegetable. Asparagus bed, and I've cut all the plants down, and all it needs now is a a little layer of compost over the rows, and it'll be pretty much ready for next year. The fire pit area doesn't look like anyone's going to be sitting here for a while, but it still looks nice. You know, it's interesting how nice it looks, even when it's inhospitable. But really not much else to show you. I should probably try to come out sometime and shoot some footage of the lights. I don't know how well that would turn out, but maybe I'll do that at some point to give you something else to look at here at in the garden, because this is going to be a pretty short Marvin Gardens video, that's for sure. In fact, can't think of anything else to show you or to tell you about. Seed catalog is here, the main one that I ordered from. I haven't begun to go through it to pick out what we're going to do this year, but that's generally a task that happens in January, and so there's really nothing in December that's typically happens that's left to do. So with that, I will say this is December 2020 Marvin Gardens video, the last garden video of 2020, and hope to see you all next month when we start a new gardening year in January 2021. Yoo-hoo! Alright, see you guys later. Listen, have a great holiday season, whatever holidays you celebrate, and enjoy your winter. We're kind of enjoying this holiday season, everything notwithstanding, and doing a lot of cooking and watching a lot of Christmas movies, because that's what we like to do. But you guys have a great holiday season, and we'll see you next year. Bye, everybody.